In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to download and install BeamNG Drive on your PC or laptop. Let's dive right in without wasting any time. Before we start, subscribe this channel and like the video because I love your like very much, so please like the video. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Steam and press enter. Once the results appear, click on the first link, which will take you to the official Steam website. From there, click on the Install Steam button. This will download the Steam installer. After downloading, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. Once Steam is installed, open it and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Next, in the Steam app, go to the search bar and type BeamNG.Drive. When the game appears in the search results, click on it to open its store page. Scroll down and click the Add to Cart button. Then, proceed to view your cart and click on Continue to Payment. At this point, you'll need to fill in your payment details and agree to Steam's terms and conditions. Once the purchase is complete, the game will automatically be added to your Steam library. Now go to your library, find BeamNG.Drive, and start the download process. Once the download is complete, you can launch the game and start playing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.